Hi guys, today I will be sharing a very delicious recipe called Butterscotch Slice or bar. For the ingredients, we need half a cup of crushed peanuts. This is roasted peanuts, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of white chocolate chips, 1 cup of plain flour, half a cup of butter, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. To begin, we're going to combine the dry ingredients. So combine the flour, the crushed peanuts, give it a mix. Into the bowl, we're going to add the salt as well and the baking powder. So we will set this aside for a while we'll move on to the next step. So in a pan with the heat setting medium to low heat, we're going to melt the butter. Once the butter is all melted, we can add the brown sugar. We're going to mix this until it is well combined. This process only took about half a minute or less. So at this point, we can take it out of the heat. Let it cool down slightly before we move on to the next step. So in a separate bowl, I'm cracking 2 eggs. We're gonna beat this. And then we're going to add this to the butter and brown sugar mixture. Make sure that the butter and brown sugar mixture has cooled down so it doesn't curdle the egg. Give it a good mix. At this point as well, we will add the vanilla. I lost the footage where I add the vanilla, so I'm sorry about that. But when you add the egg, you can also add the vanilla. So once this is well combined, we're going to add the dry ingredients. So these butterscotch bars is so easy to make. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Alright, do not over mix this. Once everything is just combined, stop mixing. Now we're going to transfer this into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. The dimensions of my pan is 6 by 10 inches, but you can use 8 by 8 or any pan that will fit this recipe. We will spread this evenly. And then on top of this, we're going to add the white chocolate chips. Again, white chocolate chips is half a cup, or it is optional. If you don't want to put white chocolate chips, you can skip that out. And we will bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until when you insert the skewer in the middle and the skewer comes out clean. And this is what it looks like after baking. Now let it cool down in the baking pan before trying to take it out or before slicing it. This is what the butterscotch bars look like after taking it out of the pan. Now let's cut it. You can cut it whichever way you like or what size you like. As you can see, I didn't do a good job slicing this equally, but you get the idea. And this is the finished product. You can also sprinkle the top with icing sugar just for decoration, but it's up to you because the bars or the slice is sweet enough. And just to show you what it looks like when you cut or bite into the bars, this is so good. I can guarantee that you're gonna love this. This is very chewy, so please do give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.